I am going to try cooking puto or steamed rice cake with what is commonly available in our kitchen, because I don't have the container which used in making puto or steamed rice cake. These are the ingredients. You can see here. We mix starch, first we have 2 cups of flour and 2 tablespoons baking powder, then mix. Then we have to add 1 cup of white sugar. Just mix. And then 1 cup of skim milk. Again, mix it well. And then we have 1/2 butter. Better to melt the butter so that it can easily mix to the flour. You see what happened? And then add 2 eggs. It's up to you if you want to beat it or you can put it directly. Mix truly. Let's see. Then add 1 cup condensed milk. And then the last one is the 2 cups of water. See, when you put the water, now we can easily mix it truly. Mix well together until the texture is fair. Mix well until it becomes smooth and viscous. It's done mixing. Cover with cling film and leave for 30 minutes. Or you can cover also with a cloth, but it is an optional. It depends upon you like, you choose. So I use the paper cupcake because I don't have container for Puto. So I want to try it. Now we will put the mixture to the cup paper. And then we have to prepare the steamer. But we have to put the cheese first to top the mixture. Yeah. The steamer is ready. The water is boiling. Now we can put it. And we can cook it for 5 to 7 minutes only. Okay, we'll wait. Just wait. Now we need to check it. It is cooked. See how beautiful. I need to remove, transfer to other plates, and we can put the second batch. Then wait it again. So this is my first batch of steamed rice cake. Now I will taste. It's very soft and fluffy. See, the texture of the Puto is very soft and delicious. Now I'm going to taste it. Let me try to do it. It's very soft and delicious. I just tried this container if possible, and you saw that it is possible. This is the finished product that my steamed rice cake or Puto. It's delicious, soft, and delicious.